Hi, my name is Myles. I'm going to show you how to put on a J&D Slingworks 4-pack hood vent. My 4-pack came in the mail! These are the instructions. My Christmas present! And this is the 4-pack. And the screws are in a little plastic bag and it has 2 washers in it. There's 2 screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. You undo the top one first. You go to your left whenever you're unscrewing it with the Phillips screwdriver. Take the old hood vent off. Pop this bad boy on. Hand tight. Gently close the hood. Professionally done by an 8-year-old. Doesn't that look much better? Now you're ready to ride in style.